Allow this chewy mineral to dissolve in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth, and you'll never need to see a dentist again. People are resolving bleeding and receding gums, gingivitis, gum infections, toothaches, bad breath, and periodontal problems just by allowing this chewy mineral to dissolve in their mouth before brushing their teeth. Dr. Drew Sutton, an award-winning dentist, just recently discovered a powerful soft mineral that can grow back your gums and teeth in record time. What makes this possible? This mineral has microscopic healing properties and can penetrate deep inside gum pockets and between your teeth, which was previously impossible. This method is 8 times more effective than any existing system, which means you may never have to step foot in a dentist's office again. So if you or a loved one has periodontal disease, gingivitis, gum infection, toothaches, tooth decay, or bad breath, this discovery could change your life and save your teeth. So stop what you're doing and click the Watch Now button to view a free eye-opening video that will show you exactly how you can start using this technique right away. It is currently working for over 113,000 people, then it sure can work for you too. Even if you've been fighting gum disease and plaque buildup for years, this mineral can help you rebuild your smile and regain your confidence. Imagine being able to enjoy every meal without discomfort, excruciating tooth pain, or an unpleasant metallic blood taste in your mouth. This discovery is currently disrupting the billion-dollar dental industry, and they do not want you to learn about this amazing gum and teeth rejuvenating mineral. So before it's too late, tap the blue button to watch the video.